Hi everybody, so today I'm just going to show you guys a couple of the things that I do before Betty comes upstairs to bed, just so it makes the process of getting her together in bed a little bit faster. So right now I'm going to start with her bed pad that we do, just so we can keep her dry at night. We're going to start off with the first one. It's like plastic, you feel at the bottom, it's a little bit thinner. Situate that. And then where these little stickers are, you can either use scissors to cut it or you can just rip it off. I'm going to go ahead and rip it off. It's so it doesn't irritate her. It makes it a little bit more comfortable. Put those to the side. We're going to take the inside pad that's thicker. And since this one is bigger than the one that's underneath, again, we're gonna take some of this extra padding away. Again, just ripping it off. Just makes a more comfortable feel for Betty. She already has like a lot going on down there, so just getting some stuff out the way. A little bit right here. I need scissors for this, so I'm gonna grab those. And then we are going to take these two soap pads and we're going to put them together by peeling this off, the sticky area. The non-sticky side is going to go to this other sticky side on this one. And then on here, it has a little blue rectangle on it. It's going to go a little bit above that. Just so when you put it on, it hits right above Betty's pelvic area. And that's exactly where we want it at, just to hold everything. And then we are going to gather these sides. This right here is going to help the process of putting Betty's pad in just a little bit easier, since this is all gathered. Once it is put on, the rubber band comes off and it's smooth up. And we're just going to leave this here. And then when we are all ready, this is all set to go. That's one less thing that we have to worry about. And while we are still in here, we are going to get Betty's little aromatherapy thing together. Take this off. She gets a few drops of rosemary in there. I'm just going to dab those in there, make sure they're going in. Here. And then the water goes in there, and it's just going to go to this top line up here. And this cap goes back on. Water goes back here. Then this comes back together. Just because this lights up, so Betty doesn't see it and like think it's time to wake up, this just gets covered back up again. And then when Betty's coming into bed, it makes it a lot easier for her to see like where she needs to go to sleep. So I'm just gonna bring this down. It's just to cue to Betty, like, okay, like, let's get in bed. So I'm gonna open that. Then I'm gonna take her step stool and set it up against here so she can step on it, and that just gets that together. Next thing is getting Betty's toothbrush and her towel and everything ready as well. Just so that's another thing that's ready to go, so we don't have to worry about it. Grab a toothbrush, rinse it, just in case there's anything left off from the night before when we brushed it. Grab this. Grab her cup, get her mouthwash in there. It's 10 squirts. Her toothbrush gets dipped in that. Goes back to its rightful place. Then her toothpaste is grabbed. Let's put it on here. And just to make things easier when we're putting Betty's toothbrush in her mouth, we're just going to spread it out over the toothbrush instead of just leaving the glob on there. It just makes teeth brushing easier for her. Then baking soda, do that over her mouthwash. And that is set over here just so it's out of the way. And then next I'm going to get her lotions together that she uses at night. Go ahead and take the caps off of that so that when I do bring her up here I can just get straight to it and not have to worry about taking the caps off, just to make things more efficient. Just anything we can do to make the process of getting Betty into her bed at the right time. These are the only two that we don't use at night, so I'm just going to put those over there so they're out of the way of everything that I need to do. Alright, so we're going to put this back over here. And so once I'm all set with that, we are all set with Betty's just getting her stuff together before she comes back upstairs.